What's up, everyone, and welcome to the first episode of the Android Journey. Today, we're hitting the rewind button to explore the rich history of Android, the mobile operating system that's become a global powerhouse. The Android story begins in 2003 with a company called Android Incorporated. Their initial mission? To develop a cutting-edge operating system for digital cameras. Imagine a world where your camera assistant could not only adjust settings, but anticipate your needs. However, the tech landscape is ever-evolving, and Android Incorporated saw a bigger opportunity brewing in the mobile phone market. Fast forward to 2005, and Google swoops in to acquire Android Incorporated. This was a pivotal moment. Google envisioned Android as a flexible and open platform, one that handset makers and carriers could customize to fit their needs. This open approach would be a core principle that would propel Android forward. The year 2007 witnessed a game-changer in the mobile world, the launch of the iPhone. With its sleek design, intuitive touchscreen interface, and user-friendly app store, the iPhone forced everyone to rethink phone functionality. Android, which had initially focused on devices with physical keyboards and limited app offerings, needed to adapt quickly. They embraced the touchscreen revolution, introduced multi-touch support, and revamped their approach to user interface design to prioritize a more streamlined experience. But Google wasn't going it alone. In November 2007, they assembled a dream team, the Open Handset Alliance. This alliance brought together tech giants like HTC, Motorola, Samsung, and chipmakers like Qualcomm to work collaboratively on developing a truly open mobile platform. HTC focused on building innovative handsets, Motorola offered their experience in mobile design, Samsung brought their manufacturing muscle, and Qualcomm played a crucial role in developing processors powerful enough to handle the demands of a modern smartphone OS. This spirit of collaboration would prove to be instrumental in Android's future success. The wait was finally over. September 2008 marked the arrival of the HTC Dream, also known as the T-Mobile G1. This wasn't just any phone. It was the first commercially available smartphone powered by Android. Imagine the excitement, holding a device that offered so much potential for customization and openness. Since its debut, Android has seen a steady stream of updates, each bringing exciting new features and bug fixes. These updates were often codenamed after delicious desserts: cupcake, donut, eclair, just to name a few. For instance, Android 2.1 Eclair brought multi-touch support, allowing for more intuitive gestures like pinch to zoom. Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich introduced a unified design language called Holo, which offered a cleaner and more modern look to the user interface. These codenames added a touch of whimsy to the development process, and each update aimed to make the Android experience even sweeter. In 2010, Google launched the Nexus line. These devices partnered with different manufacturers to showcase the latest and greatest Android versions and hardware. Nexus phones were known for their clean, bloatware-free software and their commitment to timely updates. They also served as a reference point for other manufacturers, pushing them to improve their own software offerings. If you wanted to experience Android in its purest form, a Nexus device was the way to go. A double-edged sword, one of Android's core strengths is its openness and customizability. Users can personalize their devices with custom launchers, icon packs, and widgets. Manufacturers can add their own unique features and user interfaces on top of the core Android experience. However, this flexibility can also lead to fragmentation across different devices and software versions. Some users may find it difficult to keep their devices updated, and app developers may face challenges ensuring their apps work seamlessly across a wide range of Android experiences. The availability of apps has been a major factor in Android's success. The Google Play Store, which launched in 2008, quickly became a vast library of apps catering to every imaginable need and interest. From social media and messaging apps to games, productivity tools, and entertainment platforms, the Play Store offered users a level of control and functionality never seen before on mobile devices. This explosion of apps transformed Android phones from basic communication tools into powerful multi-purpose devices. The widespread adoption of Android has had a profound impact on the way we live, work, and connect globally. Here are some key areas. 1. Communication. Android devices have made communication more accessible and affordable. Messaging apps like WhatsApp and Viber allow users to stay connected with friends and family across borders without incurring expensive SMS charges. Video calling apps like Google Duo and Skype have revolutionized the way we conduct face-to-face interactions remotely. 2. Information access. Smartphones powered by Android have become gateways to information. Search engines like Google and news apps keep users informed about current events and local happenings. Educational apps and online courses provide opportunities for learning and skill development. 3. Mobile commerce. The ability to shop and bank directly from our phones has transformed the way we manage our finances. E-commerce platforms allow for convenient shopping, while mobile banking apps enable users to check balances, transfer funds, and pay bills on the go. 4. Global innovation. The open nature of Android has fostered a spirit of innovation. Developers around the world can create and distribute apps, leading to a constant stream of new ideas and solutions. This has empowered local businesses and entrepreneurs to cater to specific regional needs. The story of Android is a journey of innovation, collaboration, and adaptation. From its humble beginnings as a camera OS to its current status as a dominant mobile platform, Android has transformed the way we interact with technology. As we move forward, Android is sure to continue evolving, shaping the future of mobile communication and computing. In the next episode of the Android Journey, we'll be diving deeper into the kernel of this OS, and we'll explore its exciting components in a nutshell. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite Android memories are or what features you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching.